That looked like theirs. It has been a long time since you sent him to the underworld, Arcantos. Fighting old battles again?
Yes, old enemies. I still see them here.
You have won more battles for Atlantis than can be counted. Faced opponents no other man dared fight.
That was long ago. Today Atlantis' enemies live only in my dreams. I face feeble pirates now.
Is that what you believe, Atlantean? Atlantis still has enemies, and you are still the one who will face them.
Any who threaten my home or my family will soon have a place in my dreams.
These are enemies unlike the others, Arcantos. Do not let your guard down. Dark times are coming, and you are needed. Arcantos. Awaken.
Admiral! Sir,
Yes?
we've sighted land on the horizon. We should reach Atlantis soon.
Excellent. It will be good to see my son Castor again.
You cannot ignore the omens, Arcantos. Lord Poseidon's displeasure is clear. We must help break the siege at Troy.
Troops we send now will be lucky to arrive before the fight is over. Even if they do, their only task will be to show the banner of Atlantis, not a task for an admiral.
It would shame Agamemnon if we sent one of your junior officers. He already complains that we do not pay enough attention to the Greek colonies. No, it must be you.
What? Hey, Castor, stay here. Prostagma? Ne.
The Atlantean army is on the way. Defend the harbor until they arrive.
Well done, but we should prepare ourselves for more attacks.
Remember, additional Toxote can be trained at the archery range. These excel against enemy infantry.
Λέγε πάνω. Έτοιμος.
Black sails! A landing party!
Λέγε. Πάνι. Έτοιμος. Εισβολή. Πρόσταγμα. Βούλαμε. Ισμάχτη.
Good. The black sails are going to regret this.
Hoplites are infantry trained at the military academy. Use them to protect your vulnerable Toxote.
Πρόσταγμα. Πάνι. Ορθώς.
Several villagers are working in town, west of the harbor. If you are running out of a particular resource, you should consider retasking them to gather it.
Λέγε. Πάνι. Βούλομαι.
Another kraken approaches. Poseidon's wrath is clear.
Έτοιμος. Πρόσταγμα. Ορθώς.
Πρόσεχε έστω.
Λέγε.
Μάλιστα.
Πάνι. Πόρο.
Πρόσταγμα. Καλό.
Λέγε.
Good work, but keep your eyes open.
Use the restoration god power to heal your units and mend your buildings.
Τέκτον. 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 Τέκτον.
Get those Petropoli up here.
Τέκτον. Τέκτον.
Another kraken headed for the shore!
Πρόσταγμα, τέκτον. Τέκτον.
Έτοιμος.
Arcantos, do not forget to call upon your god powers. Your god powers are located in the top center of the screen.
A landing party!
Πρόσταγμα ορθό. Πάνω. Εισβολή.
Excellent. Get ready, everyone. This isn't over yet.
Λέγε. Βούλομαι.
Πρόσταγμα.
Consider upgrading the weapons and armor of your units at the armory.
Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον.
Λέγε ναι. Μεταλλεύς.
Black sails! Pirates!
Έτοιμος. Πρόσταγμα ορθό. Βούλομαι.
The pirates won't take Atlantis this way. What are they thinking? Πρόσεχε, honey.
Βούλομαι. Έστω. Τέκτον.
Another kraken approaching! Pray this is the last!
Τέκτον.
Black sail landing party!
Ισμάχιν. Έτοιμος. Πρόσταγε. Πάνω. Πρόσταγμα.
The Atlantean army will be here soon!
Πρόσεχε. Τέκτον.
Βούλομαι. Λέγε. Καλώς. Ορθό. Ισμάχιν. Καλώς. Ισμάχιν.
Πρόσταγμα.
Arcantos! The Atlantean army has arrived!
Command us, Arcantos!
Λέγε. Ορθό. Βολή.
Invoke the lightning storm god power to decimate attacking pirates.
Πρόσταγμα. Βούλομαι. Λέγε. Ορθό. Βούλομαι.
The black sails are fleeing. It will take more than pirates to overrun Atlantis.
Another message from Poseidon, Arcantos. His creatures helped the pirates.
Father, they stole the trident.
What?
Yes, it was stolen during the fighting.
Kamos.
There could not be a clearer sign, Arcantos. We are losing Poseidon's favor. We must act.
I will go to Troy as you ask. I'm going to get that trident back on the way. Zethos! Take supplies aboard and get the men together. We're setting sail.
Can I come?
No, I need you here in case they come back. Don't worry. This errand will not take long.